Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Flat Hard Waxing Kit. First, unpack all the components, ensuring your wax warmer is clean and ready. Carefully pour the hard wax beads into the warmer. Set the temperature to approximately 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing about 20 to 30 minutes for the wax to melt completely to a honey-like consistency. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and effective waxing experience. Before applying wax, cleanse your skin thoroughly to remove any oils or lotions. Next, apply a thin layer of pre-wax oil or powder. This creates a protective barrier. Always test the wax temperature on your inner wrist to ensure it's comfortable, not too hot. Using an applicator, apply the wax in a thick, even layer, roughly the size of a quarter, in the direction of hair growth. Ensure the edges are slightly thicker for easy removal. Once applied, allow the wax to cool and harden for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the thickness. You'll notice it becomes less sticky. Gently flick up a small edge of the hardened wax. Then, with one swift, firm motion, pull the wax strip off quickly against the direction of hair growth, keeping it close to the skin. Immediately apply a post-wax oil or soothing lotion to calm the treated area and reduce redness. For the best results, ensure your hair is at least 1/4 inch long. This allows the wax to grip effectively. Always avoid waxing over irritated skin, moles, or varicose veins to prevent discomfort or injury. Regular exfoliation between waxing sessions is key to preventing ingrown hairs and maintaining smooth skin. Finally, store your Max Flat Hard Waxing Kit in a cool, dry place, ready for your next session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.